The International Water Lily Garden is located in San Angelo, which is close to the heart of Texas. So I forgot to bring a plate, so I'll go ahead and plate this at the hotel, but that's it. And it is 5:37, so 20 minutes. Alright guys, I'm back at the hotel here. I'm gonna dish this so you can get a view of what it looks like outside of the packaging, and also I'm gonna show you a little technique that I use for doing the dishing, but mostly just to show you what the inside package contents looks like.